Hello everyone, ready for a simple sewing project? Today, I'm sharing a tutorial to make a stretchy headband simple, quick, and perfect for everyday wear. Let's dive in. Cut out your fabric by 7.5 inch by 18 inch. Fold by facing the right side together. Mark 1 inch on both sides. Sew your seam from right about 1 inch to stopping about 1 inch from ending. Flip the right side out. Line up the edges and sew 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pulling the edges as you go, keeping them lined up. Close up the opening. Press. Thanks for sewing with me today. I hope you enjoyed making your stretchy headband. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy sewing projects.